Dear children, next we are going to see example 4.13. D and E are respectively the points on the sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC such that AB equal to 5.6 cm, AD equal to 1.4 cm, AC equal to 7.2 cm and AE equal to 1.8 cm. Show that DE parallel to BC. So, here we have to prove DE parallel to BC. So, to prove DE parallel to BC means we have to apply the converse of Thales theorem or the converse of basic proportionality theorem. So, first we will draw the triangle. So, triangle ABC and here we have DE. Okay, so first we will mark what is given. So here AB equal to 5.6 cm. So this is AB 5.6 cm, AD 1.4 cm, then AC. So AC 7.2 cm and AE 1.8 cm. So, let us see the solution. So, first we will write what is given in the question. So, given AB equal to 5.6 cm, AD equal to 1.4 cm, AC equal to 7.2 cm and AE equal to 1.8 cm. So, first we have to take the ratio. So, that is we have to find out AD by DB equal to AE by EC. That only we want to prove. AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So, for this we want DB. So, first we are going to find out DB. So, DB equal to how will we write DB equal to AB minus AD. So, DB equal to AB minus AD, that is 5.6 minus 1.4. So, 5.6 minus 1.4 is 6 minus 4, 2. Then the decimal point, 5 minus 1 is 4. So, 4.2 centimeter. Similarly, in this side, we want EC. So, EC equal to AC minus AE. That is 7.2 minus 1.8. So, we can't subtract 8 from 2. So, we have to borrow 1 from here. So, 12 minus 8, 4. Point. Then 6 minus 1, 5. 5.4 centimeter. So, now we have found out DB and EC. Next, we have to find out the ratio AD by DB. AD by DB equal to AD is 1.4 centimeters. So, 1.4 by DB. DB is 4.2 centimeter. So, in the numerator and the denominator, decimal numbers are there. So, we have to multiply both the numbers by 10 to make them as whole numbers. So, we have to multiply by 10. So, when we multiply by 10, it becomes 14 by 42. So, we can cancel it by 2 tables. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Again by 7 tables, 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. So, this is equal to 1 by 3. Next, we have to find out the ratio AE by EC. AE by EC. That is, AE is 1.8 by EC is 5.4. So, here also we have to multiply by 10. Then it becomes 18 by 54. So in 3 tables we can cancel. 6 3s are 18, 1 3 is 3, 8 3s are 24. Then in 6 tables 1 6 is 6, 3 6 are 18. So this is equal to 1 by 3. So AD by DB equal to 1 by 3 and AE by EC also equal to 1 by 3. So we can write AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So we have proved AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Therefore, if AD by DB equal to AE by EC, then the line DE is parallel to BC. Therefore, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, we have DE parallel to BC. So this what we want to prove. Hence proved. Okay children.